Alright, so we're just putting the reminder out there. These are the activities for Saturdays and Sundays, right? Next time, I hope to have the team along with me for giving you demonstrations of some of the activities that will be taking place on the Saturdays and Sundays. And of course, I have to give you updates about the Mondays to Thursdays, which will comprise mostly of chess, right? But it will be every day there will be chess combined with something else. So it could be chess and mathematics, chess and reading, chess and mental ability, performance tasks, that sort of thing. And lastly, could be chess with something else that's fun. Maybe chess with Rubik's cubes or something else. Can't quite put my my finger on that bullet point just yet. But anyhow, this is again a reminder of what's to take place on Saturdays and Sundays. If you're interested in any of what you see here, right, we intend to start this the weekend of the week of July 6th. However, there is something else I want to say. One more thing about this that I'm showing you here. No! Yeah, again, I'm hoping that the next time I do a video like this, I will not be alone. Because it's not me still a learn, but we still a learn, right? I have a few of my past students that I'm going to be working with, training them to be teachers on behalf of We Still a Learn, in conjunction with other collaborators as well. And what I want to say, most importantly, is this. So, June 22 to July 3, I want to go through a series of the different brain teasers and invite parents or would-be students that want to be a part of joining the summer camp, the summer classes, that sort of thing. And you can be a part of these videos as well if you want to. So you can actually, I will give you the directive in terms of the WhatsApp button. I will go and make the videos and show you where to find We Still a Learn. You can go on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. And if you don't know where to find them, I will show you how to do that. So next time I do these videos, you shouldn't my face should not be the only one you see. All right? So again, thank you for reminding us that all are we still a learn.